My name is Mark Snowden. I'm a manufacturing engineer for Hitachi Rail, Newton Aycliffe. We build both high-speed rail vehicles and also standard commuter vehicles that run the length and breadth of the UK. So the jigs have been sourced through a company called KMT. They have taken the specification, taken that through full concept into a fully functional manufacturing jig for rail vehicles.
The main assembly jig allows Hitachi to weld a train unit. 4 sub-assemblies are loaded into the jig, so that's the floor, sides of the vehicle and the roof. The jig holds the components in position and that allows the Hitachi team to weld the train up. KMT jig was manufactured in our facility in Cheadle in Staffordshire. Everything was manufactured in-house, including fabrication, machining and assembly.
KMT have been absolutely fantastic from the get-go. They proved themselves from the very beginning. They've been so professional all the way through and their build quality is second to none.
This is the first stage of 6 different stages in the facility and KMT manufactures everything for this production line.
We will definitely be happy working with KMT again. We are already pursuing more ventures with them as we speak.